They say knowledge is power, but what if the most powerful technology of our generation is being rolled out in silence? Artificial intelligence is already rewriting the rules of work, warfare, and even democracy. But here's the disturbing truth. The UK government isn't telling you how deeply AI is being embedded into your everyday life. Not tomorrow, not in 2030, right now. In 2016, the UK positioned itself as the AI superpower of Europe. By 2021, the government invested £1 billion into AI development, launching initiatives like the Centre for Data Ethics and Innovation. But buried beneath policy speeches and tech jargon was a subtle shift. AI wasn't just for business or healthcare. It was becoming the digital nervous system of the state. Automated surveillance, predictive policing, algorithmic welfare decisions, and most citizens didn't even notice. In 2022, thousands of disabled citizens received sudden cuts to their benefits, not by human decision, but by an algorithm. In 2024, facial recognition trials began in South London. People were stopped, scanned, and profiled without consent. And now in 2025, new AI systems can predict crime hotspots. Sound familiar? This isn't a sci-fi film. It's happening in your postcode. Just this year, the Department for Education piloted an AI tool that predicted which students were likely to skip school. Parents weren't told. Schools weren't fully informed. The system flags students of color disproportionately. And yet, it's expanding. These tools are wrapped in the language of efficiency and innovation, but beneath that is control. Silent, invisible, automated. The UK government says AI will level up the nation, but we must ask, who's programming the future, and who's being left behind in the code? AI isn't just changing how we live, it's changing who gets to decide what a normal life looks like. Entire communities could be profiled, denied, or erased, all without a single human decision. Dramatic pause. Welcome to the age of silent governance, where democracy may not die with a bang, but with a whisper. The future isn't coming, it's already here, and it's automated.